What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. As you can see, it's cold and it snowed last night. We didn't get that much snow. Just little sprinklets. I think it's supposed to rain again tomorrow at not tomorrow, Sunday. It's supposed to rain Sunday. But this is my little trailer full of junk. I also got a package. I'm gonna open this package up. Super excited about this. But today, I don't really got no video, so I'm gonna just go down memory lane in this trailer full of junk and open this package. Yes, sir.
Say hello to my little friend.
Alright, people, like I said, I've been hoarding a lot of stuff. As you can see, that spreader I'm definitely not getting rid of. That's my spreader, but I just put it on here so it won't get snowed on. But as you can see, we got good old Franken tiller here. It literally broke off. The handle broke off, so that's what made me go out and get my new tiller, my Cub Cadet. But this motor right here, this was actually my transformer motor, and it used to be on that deck over there, and I took it off of that lawnmower because I had, at the time, I had my Timemaster, so I didn't really need a push mower, so I took it off and I put it on good old Franken tiller here, and Franken tiller served me good. And then I got a free mower from one of my customers, and I put this on there last year. I think I did that, or the year before, or something like that. And then this mower died. And so I've just been holding on to this mower like, man, you know, maybe I could put another motor on it. And I said, you know what, like I said, I've been talking about getting a electric mower, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna let it go. I'm taking all this stuff to the scrap yard. That's why I got mostly metal stuff in here. I got this yard vac I got from the dump one time. It worked, but then the drawstring thing, it messed up, and I never put it back on. It literally sat in my shed for about 5 years now. And like I said, I was just trying to clear out everything from my shed. I got multiple spreaders. I think that was my dad's spreader he gave to me to throw away. This was my spreader from this past year. It's all beat up. So I'm just gonna get a new one. It's like rusted out. So I got this roller fence. This thing is at least a couple 100 pounds. So hopefully I'll get some money for this. I've never been to a scrap place, so I don't know what I could take. I got these chairs, these lawn chairs, they're metal. I got old pieces of weed eaters, old little air pumps, blowers. I don't know what they take at these scrap places, but hopefully I could get a couple of bucks. I got a whole bunch of tires. I know they don't take the tires, but they got the metal rims on it, so hopefully I'll get something for that. Alright, so let's open this package up. Who this package is from? Drum roll. Dry wraps. I'm super excited. I think I already know what it is. Cause y'all remember like the last month or so I made a video about my dry wraps, and they're orange. And in the video, I said that I can't wait. I said I'm gonna use my dry wraps for like a year or so again, and then I'm gonna get me some red ones to match my set. So I think they sent me some red. Already. Woohoo! They got some dry wrap sticker action already. I might even send one of these out. I gotta mail off a Tipsy Cup. If y'all want a Tipsy Cup, hit me up. $10 for one, $15 for two, and I try to put little extra stuff in there if I got it, you know, so in the package. But man, bless. Big shout out to Dry Wraps. I'm not even gonna use these things this year, bro. Oh my gosh. It's just the quality of these things, bro. These things, I'm trying to think of the material. I can't even think of it. Like, if I had to describe it, it's like, you know those like brownish tan or orange Carhartt jackets with that tough waterproof material on it. That's essentially like what this is, you know. So very good quality. Like I said, the other ones, you know, they not pretty, but they still protecting my trimmers. So I'm gonna use those. I'm gonna save these bad boys. I got so much stuff I gotta do. I said I was gonna, I don't know if y'all can see it, but like on the corners here, I had spray foam on it on my trailer, and then to fill in the gaps, because it was gaps, and then I sprayed over it with the what's that, Flex Seal. So I said I was gonna take my signs down, and then I got some chipped up paint there. So I was gonna take my signs down and repaint the wood. I'm not gonna paint the trailer part. The trailer part doing pretty good. It's still black, but yeah, I'm gonna repaint the wood so I can start off the season fresh. Then I still gotta fix the trailer and the little things for the spring. Yeah, the spring. Those little links. Let me put my gloves back on. And then what else I gotta do? Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta make some upgrades to my Gravely. My Gravely. So last year, right? Let me tell y'all this story, right? Let me get y'all a little closer. It's kind of windy out here. I got the microphone on, so hopefully the wind is not interrupting my audio too much. But so when I first got my Gravely, I was told that you're supposed to change the hydro fluid every year, right? No, not every year. Every 100 hours, right? So I think the first time I changed my hydro fluid, I got to like 140 hours. So now I was like all mad because I'm like, dang, I went over the 100 hours. So then the next time I changed the hydro fluid was like 250 hours. And so then I was planning to change it at like 350. But then I was at like one of those Gravely conferences, and I was talking to one of the people, and they said you're supposed to change it after the first 100 hours, and then you don't change it again until you get to 400 hours. So I was like, man, well, I just changed it for no reason. So I said, all right, well, I'm gonna wait until I get to 500 hours, because I said I already changed it twice. I'm at like 250 now or whatever. What I noticed this year was it was tearing up, oh shoot, my stuff blown away. It was tearing up lawns. unnecessary. And what I mean by unnecessarily is like, because this is a heavy machine. It's 950 pounds, and when the ground gets wet, I have to go slower, and I turn slow or whatever. But this thing was tearing it up. It was dry. It was a nice dry day. Ain't rained in weeks. And I'm turning as slow as possible, and it's still tearing up the yard. And I'm guessing that has something to do with the hydro fluid. And I'm thinking because over the years, I think I'm at a little less than 500 now. I'm thinking that over the years, because I was changing the hydro fluid more often than it need to be changed, that I wasn't having any problems like that. So, needless to say, I'm changing my hydro fluid probably every 100 hours, or at minimum at least once a year. So I plan to kind of do it, because I don't even think I get 100. I'm not cutting that much. Maybe I'll get more than 100 hours this year, but I don't think I've really ever got more than 100 hours in a season. So, but I'm getting up there. I got 60 yards. And I was just thinking about that, bro. That's 120 cuts a month. That's crazy, bro. But this is what I asked for. Be careful what you wish for. But I used to do the same thing with my Mustang. I think that's why my Mustang lasted so long. I done ran that thing into the ground. And I used to change it. It said change it every 100 hours, the oil. I used to change it every 50. Because mind you, like I said, I was part-time, and I wasn't putting that much hours on the Mustang to begin with. So that 50 hours was a long time for me. It was probably like, I probably put 50 hours on it per year. So I used to change it all the time. My Gravely, I try to change it every 100 hours. The oil and everything. But yeah, just want to post this video for y'all. Like I said, I can't wait to get back out here. I got some mowing back in these streets episodes I can't wait to make. But look out for the Tipsy Talk Saturday. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.